love, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well, and for those who's new, this is Maricel and welcome. So it's another cooking vlog. Today I would love to share with you one of my favorite salmon recipe. This is a paksiw. So this will be a perfect meal for those who love paksiw, but I am going to add a coconut milk. I just learned this dish back here, and I found it really good. So if you would love to see how I made my salmon paksiw in coconut milk, come and join me.
Alright guys, so here are the ingredients. Of course we need a salmon, onion, we need also a garlic. I use serrano peppers, we need ginger, peppercorn, and vinegar. And this is a fish sauce. We also need pepper, salt, coconut cream or coconut milk, it's fine, you can use, and some water. Okay, let's get started.
So I place some of the spices in the bottom of the pan. That way it will absorb more of the flavor. So, but that is only optional. It's up to you if you want to do that. And the rest of it, I'm going to put it on top of the salmon. Right, here we go. So we're just going to file the salmon on top. You can use some more fish than this or less. It's up to you. And then I'm going to add now the peppercorn. That was like about 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. And then let's add some water. It's 1 cup of water. And then this is also, I use the white wine vinegar. You can also use coconut vinegar or just white vinegar, whatever available you have. So I use like 4 or 5 tablespoons of vinegar. If you want more sourness, you can add more if you want. And then here's the fish sauce. Alright, and I'm going to put on the rest of the spices on top. And here's the garlic. Make sure your hand is clean. And then I'm going to add a salt if it is halfway cooked. So what else? So we're going to cook and simmer this for like 10 to 12 minutes. Alright love, so it's been 10 minutes.
I'm going to try if we need more salt or not. I think for me it's good, and I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of sugar just to balance the taste. It's up to you. This is optional, okay? Okay, remove that from the fire because we don't want the salmon overcooked. Alright, our salmon na paksiw with coconut milk is ready to serve. Alright guys, here we go. I have here, it's test time. Let's get the sauce. Here it is.
You know, the richness is there. Yung combination ng coconut milk and vinegar is so good, and together with the aroma of the spices. Ang sarap guys, promise. I hope you'll try this at home. I'm gonna finish this off the camera. I hope you learn and you will try this. What was that? And you will try this at home soon. And let me know how do you like it. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in my next one. Be safe everyone. Bye.